Hey, hi guys, it's Katie and it's Katie's makeup, and I'm making another video where I'm not I'm not doing any certain kind of makeup on myself or some kind of eye look because I have done that and उसको कर करके मैं बोर हो गई. तो I have taken a product like it's really affordable and it's really nice. So I have not tried it yet. I have not tried it yet, but I can definitely assure you that this is really nice. If your budget is like really low, and if you want to try cheaper products from online or from Flipkart or from Nykaa, then this is like the thing for you, because when you live in cities, small cities, or when you have like no budget for your makeup and stuff, but you want to get professional things, you want to get professional things because you cannot afford like Morphe palette. I could have afford Morphe palette, but in India it's not very easy to get it. I have talked to some makeup artists and everything, but yeah. So what I was telling you that if you want to buy some Morphe palette for your eyeshadows and everything for a professional work, then you should really go to some sites, and they do put Morphe or some really nice brand like Huda Beauty and everything. But Huda Beauty बहुत ज़्यादा आपको एक्सपेंसिव मिलेगा, है ना. और मतलब उसके हिसाब से लाइक Morphe has a big palette of all the colors in it, all the browns, the nudes, the colorful palettes are there. But अगर आप Huda में जाएंगे then आपको मिलेंगे, लाइक आपको बहुत अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे ह्यूडा में, बट इट्स गोना बी अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव. सो this is the Swiss Beauty HD professional eyeshadow. I'm making this video. God. Yeah guys, so if you are looking for professional makeup, and if you're beginning your makeup artist thing, then I can tell you definitely that this is gonna really help you. These are all warm tone shades, and I have no idea how much they work, but this palette is only for rupees like 666, and I bought it from Flipkart, and let's see how it is, because these are all the colors a person would really need if that person is a makeup artist. So the first two colors are shimmers, so मैं आपको स्वैप करके दिखाऊंगी over my hand. The first shade is completely shimmer, satin finish shimmer, I would say. See, it's like a highlighter or something like that. The second color is also something like highlighter, and completely like the first one. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so we got 8 rows. You can see here we got 8 colors in one row, then we got 8 colors in the second, 8 colors in the third, then 8 colors in the second, then some dark colors, some orange colors. So this is a very warm uh, palette. It's from Swiss Beauty, guys, and it's only for 600 rupees. Okay, so don't uh, throw any tantrum on this palette, because this palette is like so much like not expensive, you know. The third color is coming like it's shimmer, but it's like very coppery shimmer. Okay, so the fourth color is like completely champagne color. Oh god, I've taken a lot. So you can see it. These are like in the silver, but this is like completely champagne color. Now the other one is completely golden color. You can see if it's coming in on the camera. It's like completely golden color, and you can completely make it like a highlighter or make it like under the under eye or into crease or anywhere. So the fifth color, no, the sixth color actually is come. It is a satin finish, but it has very tiny particles of glitter. It's like completely orange. Alright, guys. Yeah, so far so good. One, two, three. The seventh color is completely off white, and it's very chalky. It's very chalky if you have taken, but it you can build up and you can make it out of it, you know. So now I have taken like completely grabbed my finger into it, and I'm giving it to you. Yeah, so it's very powdery, it's very chalky, but if you have like concealer on and you want a canvas which is like completely not crease, it's not creasing, then you can use this color. You can use a brown color all over your lid, and then you can use it for cut crease. See, you can work with it. I'm telling you, it's very chalky, and you have to build it like I'm building it on my hand, but it's very. So the last color is very brownish off whitish. It's a very, I would say it's a very warm color. So you can see this, you know. You can use this color also. You know, Swiss Beauty, like really, they are like, it's like completely like my skin color, and that's why it's not coming on. So this is the first row, guys. These two can be highlighter for like pink uh, or cool tone people. This is a copper color. This can be complete eyeshadow. This is a champagne color which can go on deep color highlighter. This is a golden color which you can use completely on eyeshadow. This is orange, yeah, off white color, and this is completely brownish off white color. So this. So I have done. Yeah, guys, so I have done the first row for you guys, and my hand is completely shimmer. So मैं आपके सामने ही इसे हटा रही हूँ, ये बताने के लिए दैट मैंने कोई बॉडी मेकअप वगैरह नहीं कर रखा है. Okay, guys, so we get forward with the second row, and the second row first color is very golden. सी मेरा सिर्फ यही है कि आपको इस पैलेट के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा शिमर कलर मिलेंगे, मैट्स बहुत कम मिलेंगे, और अगर मैट्स मिलेंगे तो वो बहुत चौकी होंगे. तो ये एक डिसएडवांटेज है आपके पास. मैंने पागलों की तरह इसे दो बार, मतलब लाइक दो क्वांटिटी में इसे मैंने मंगवा लिया. द सेकेंड रोज फर्स्ट कलर इज़ दिस. आई होप यू कैन सी दिस. This is a completely champagne type of golden color. The next color is completely champagne type. So basically you can use this palette for for your highlighters, you know. If you like and they can be like your eyeshadow colors, who knows, you know. So the third color is also golden. I'm just not feeling like swatching this color because these all are like golden, coppery and silvery, so you know, leave them. So this is the second row, and so this is a very dark shimmery color I can see here, so I should swap this for you. See, this is very brown and very contouring kind of shade, you know. This can look like that. You can contour and you can put this kind of color on your outer V and everywhere, you know. So now take some this brick color here, and I should swap this one. This is very matte color. This is very matte, and this is a little bit chalky, but you can definitely work with that because this palette is so warm, you know. It's so warm tone, you know. You can see this. um, Now the darkest shade of this palette is this, you know, this dark brown. You can contour with it. It has no, it's very like very बिल्कुल मक्खन की तरह चल रहे हैं. They are slightly chalky but बहुत अच्छा है. Like you can build these up. And this color, look at this color. This color is completely a contour color for a cool tone or pink complexion girl, you know. So this is the shimmer of the orange shade. See how beautiful this bright and beautiful this shimmer shade. The last color, there are three very dark colors you can see here. Three. This is slightly blue, this is slightly brownish, and this is very black with golden tint. So this is a very olive kind of color. So look at this, very brown olive kind of color. There is like no room on my hand. So the last color, but not the least, this is very gray, black, blue type of color, you know. This is the last color. Okay, still I have some sanitizer left over my hand. See how beautiful black color this is. This is the darkest color on this palette. Of this palette, this is the color. कैमरे में ये थोड़ा ब्लू आ रहा है, बट ऐसे in reality ये थोड़ा ग्रे है. थोड़ा ग्रे, थोड़ा ब्लू, थोड़ा shimmer. There are shimmer particles also in this. So guys, अगर आपको प्रोफेशनल कोई मेकअप खरीदना है, प्रोफेशनल पैलेट की तरफ आप जाना चाहते हैं, तो आपको थोड़े शिमर्स ज़्यादा चाहिए, मैट्स थोड़े कम चाहिए, या फिर आप हाइलाइटर ख़रीदना चाहते हैं. पता नहीं मैंने इसे 2 क्यों ख़रीद लिए, ये 2 आ गए. लाइक इसका जो दूसरा वेरिएंट है वो काफ़ी कलरफुल है, सो उसके ऊपर भी मैं एक वीडियो बना दूँगी. एंड मैं सोचती हूँ क्यों ना मैं इसी वीडियो को मैं उसमें भी बना दूँ. तो this is from Swiss Beauty. These are very reasonable, very affordable palettes from Swiss Beauty. Yeah guys, I know the fact that you are not gonna find a lot of matte colors which for contouring and which for the eyeshadow you really need. But if you want a beginner kind of palette, and it should be affordable, not one second guys, not so uh, not so expensive like Huda or Morphe or something like that, because I wanted, when I started these videos, I wanted Morphe palettes, but in India they are not available, and now my stomach aches as hell. So okay, bye guys.